Right, so the parts have arrived. You may have noticed I changed the channel name. The old one I think could have been misunderstood. So yeah, now you get the Italian retro guy. Mamma mia! So if any of you found this out of context, I bought a lot of Game Boys off of eBay. They were all broken. I fixed them, and now I'm supposed to be making them look nice again. To be honest, it looks pretty amazing, but it's kind of a hybrid thing, and I don't think it would sell that well. And even then, it's cracked here. So yeah, no good, no, nothing new. Mama would be so sad about this. So to recap, the entire lot was like 80 euros, and I got two DMGs and two pockets. Well, one pocket, the other was just a motherboard. So yeah, let's begin the disassembly. Very good. Nice. Really nice. This next one is gonna be very hard to restore. It's got a lot of damage that is very hard to fix. It just needs a battery cover and a lens. I'm not sure which one I want in this, but I think I'll go with gray. It is a bit off, but yeah. So this one now is the one which I exploded the screen of. And yeah, I I only put Captain tape here so that it would protect the inside. So this one is gonna be IPS modded. Other than that, just gonna need a new lens and a new battery cover. Oh, okay, okay. Gray works. White doesn't, and clear kind of works, but not quite. I think gray is gonna be the best one. Right, so I ended up ditching the centering bracket. I put my own double-sided tape, and I put some Captain tape here for reinforcement. Right. Right, so I realigned the screen and now it seems to be working fine. So actually, a day has passed since the IPS DMG. Sorry if the lighting is different. So anyway, I've got all the things I need to make a Game Boy Pocket pretty much. I got an IPS screen. I got a white shell. Originally, the buttons that came with the shell were orange, and I don't really like that. So I bought some black ones. I don't think the shell came with the rubber contacts for the buttons, but likely when I bought these came with them. So yeah. So let's begin. Right, so the entire eBay lot that I bought was 80 euros, and I can sell every IPS modded Game Boy for around 100 euros. I can sell all the other ones for around 40 euros. So with two unmodded DMGs, one modded DMG, and two modded pockets, that's around 380 euros. Minus 220 euros for the parts, that's a profit of 160. And yeah, however, I had an issue with one of the IPS mods, and I'm seeing if I can get a replacement. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to spend another 30 euros on it, which will bring down my profits. Not gonna be a great loss. I will do my best to keep the description updated so that you will know what I sell and how much, and eventually you will see the profit I made. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you're happy.